Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today, I'm going to drop a video where I normally up on a Sunday. But, as I'm telling you, you're going to mainly see during the week, things look dry. And then Sunday, multiple videos drop. But we have videos, some of them are pre-recorded. And since me have a Patreon birthday shout out, I say, you know what? Since me have so much video planned for Sunday, let me just drop one from now and drop in the birthday shout out. This video, I go start off the Mars series. Yes, Mars, M-A-W-S, Man and Woman series. Not that about man and woman issues. Because whether anyone like it or not, man and woman have to make things work. After all the complaining, we have to make things work. Man need woman and woman need man. After all the complaining, after we talk until we throat hoarse, we have to make things work. As a man and woman build families, man and woman make picnic, and a picnic continue the next generation. So I think maybe we need to start understanding each other, because enough things a woman do, me not understand. I mean, remember see them done till they say we can't read and write too well, right? And we never go do a big course at Winnipeg, but enough of things them just can't understand, and I'm sure women feel the same way. Enough things man do, them just can't understand. So here is our central meeting point, where me, the little YouTuber aka Cancer P, and I could ask some questions sometimes like, ladies, why only do this? And maybe the man then can better understand, because ladies them can answer in the comment section. And then me I go tell you, no, ladies, why man do certain things. Yes, the Mars series. Before me go into that, I'm gonna drop the Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to GB birthday today. Link me as a little YouTuber. I go up on a crazy streak. Over 100 videos. Over 100 videos me just gone. GB just joined the Patreon squad. Gone over 100 videos on the platform already. That's usually how people discover a little YouTuber, and them come across a one video, then them go up on like a binge watch. GB, big up yourself. Hope you enjoy your day. Celebrate it, because that's something to celebrate. Don't take it for granted. Hopefully you live in a country where you don't have to worry if a bomb will fly through your roof. See, as much as people complain about Iron Man, as bad as things be, Iron Manians have it good enough. People love this is why I'm not entertain Irish Saxons, because when they talk about Jamaica like the worst place in the world, our problems are minor with some things Mr. people in the world face. Complete madness. I'm talking about people in the world face. Patreon squad, look out for more of those videos, because I'm drop a video on Patreon. Big exclusive. Talking about the Israel and Iran situation. Check it out on Patreon if you want. We're going to talk about this now. Mars series, first video night. Sometime when you might see a woman go viral, and the things that woman go viral for, surely it's nothing them should be proud about. Certainly it's nothing a father would be proud about. You can imagine my daughter gone viral for them things. Me have to have a long look in the mirror. I start some questions. I wonder if me do something wrong, or that me could do something better. It has to be studied. But let me explain something too now. Jamaican men, yard and abroad, anyway there. Here how things get spooky. When time me hear a man say, that girl they are this and that girl they are that, here why you have to be very careful. Whenever you see a certain type of woman step out in the public sphere and she does tell you what go on in her business, come across as donkey, come across as a Jezebel. You hear what she say she like and you hear what she say she want to do. That the girl there and that girl there. Here why you have to be careful as a Jamaican man. Remember the culture. You have to say, but Cancel P, what you mean? Remember the culture, remember Ironman culture. Let me explain something to you, guy. You have to be real careful. Sometimes you see a woman behave a certain way, so oh, them girls they are war, them girls they are this and that and all kind of something. That's alright, but you have to be real careful because when you see certain woman they on a certain platform or talk certain things and you did it, I said she had this and she had that, and you have to be careful how you burn her out. I'm gonna tell you why. Remember say Iron Man lead the world in a jacket. Remember say the society and the culture where we know, born and grow, you know. Man get more jacket drop on them than bomb drop in the Iran-Israel war. More jacket drop on Iranians than bomb a drop in the Middle East war. It's easy to say that girl they are this and that girl they are that. But suppose me tell you say no found right now coupled up with a woman who into and do the exact same things. Suppose me tell you that. You say look at you go suck your mama, right? Not my boo. Here's the thing, guy. Some people call it all kind of things. For one group of people, it's the Jezebel Spirit. The other group, it's empowerment and freedom. It's all about the perspectives. One person you ask might say, listen, that woman doing this and walking from Kingston to the grill, right, and fling her an eagle eye like a frisbee. She fling everything else too, not just an eagle eye. She will tell you say every hole is a goal. And she now play for Manchester United. But depending upon who you ask, for some people it's empowerment and it's freedom and it's it's women liberation, and if others it's straight up harlot. You decide which side of the fence you're on. But here why you have to be careful. When you see a woman go on a certain platform, you might see her on J Frey, or you might see her over your son, see her on him platform they will talk about them things. And you hear say she like do this and she want to do that. You don't know if your boo have done or want to do the same things. See, what you're gonna tell me now is, well, not my boo, because my boo never did that. Well, your boo never do that with you. You have to be careful. When they say woman who do certain things, lightning for strike them, lightning might strike your boo, because your boo just never do that with you. Your girl, yes, Miss can't mash hands. Try all kind of things. The things that we have but don't know, we hear on the platform. We hear some woman talk about on TikTok and all kind of pages. And you see them girl like dirty girl, you know how man talk to them girl. Suppose me tell you say you're a boo. They try them too. You have to be careful, guy. Because woman will tell you, not publicly, when you really get fit, especially if you have enough sisters and girl cousins, they will tell you. Say, depending upon who the man is, different things come out of them. So she might tell you, say, she don't believe in her backers. She might tell you, say, she don't know her name lizard lap. And you might tell yourself, say, boy, I'm really lucky. I'm really lucky because I find one girl who can't do nothing. But there's a very strong possibility, not just get her for lizard lap, but all crocodile lap. Bet you don't know them style like. When I talk about lizard lap, a crocodile lap, him get. She go on all her nose bridge. She balance on a single strand of ear. Him suggest all manner of debauchery. And she try it out. And she can bury it in her closet so deep that even when you open the closet, you can't see it. Let me say that one more time. Him just reach deep down in her soul and goes and drag out something. So when you hear certain women on certain platforms that talk about things what them do and what they like, Before you say lightning strike her now, or lightning strike every woman into them things mind you make lightning strike your boo too. Guy, this is not Carfax. You don't get to put in one license plate or one chassis number and see the history or nothing. You don't know what go on, guy. Even the nicest, sweetest of missionary on the pulpit love body. And before she go on that pulpit back in the day, you want to see her. So I'm just saying, be careful, guy. Be careful to turn on the lightning. Because you might say, Father, right, lick down and kill every girl who do them things there. And next thing you wake up and realize your woman pronounced deceased. It's a spooky world out there, guy. This man and woman series going to get real interesting. This is just the start. Remember, say as Iron Men, we don't come from no society and no culture where we meet no woman and she's quote unquote pure. You know, she's a virgin, never been touched, and then on the wedding night, that's when you get to do this. And then we not come from them culture, the guy. Remember, sir, jacket culture we come from. Remember, sir, careless culture we come from. Remember, sir, I make pitney for fun. I make pitney for ego and prove point culture we come from. Just remember that. When time me see a woman publicly come out and say, this mean to and that mean to, and 5,000 man get her eagle in 3 days, I always think to myself, well, let me thank that woman because she saved me, because suppose one day I go see her up on the road and never know such. I'm going to invest me all now. Now that she come out and make the world know, me know say me can catch a U-turn. Drive off gone. This is like a hippopotamus telling me say it's an hippopotamus. Thank you very much, I'll just go this way. The problem is when time the hippopotamus go cover itself down in some nice pretty feathers like our hummingbird. And then when time you go so you see feathers then blow off, and by then time it's too late. You're already trapped. All I'm saying is be careful, guy. We don't come from no purity and no sanctity culture. A bad boy and bad girl culture, Iron Man say. A dash needle and dash seed bag and fling wood. They say thing there. That's our culture. A breed pitney just cause needle eye sweet. Hey girl, you all good, me have to go breed you. A them culture they will come from. I'm just saying be careful, guy. Just carefully you call for the lightning for some woman, because you might end up trying for your one. You don't know which man got it and you don't know where he's been panar. You would be very surprised. More series in the man and woman series. It's going to be very interesting. A second video I go drop Sunday, following up from this series. And you're gonna look at you, so you're gonna stop bad mind artists and scam. You must have lost your mind. That can't stop. It's a new series, man. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.